Discovered in 2013, this super-Earth orbits a tiny red dwarf 1,200 light-years from Earth. Its size, composition, and the star it orbits has made it a prime candidate in the search for extraterrestrial life. With the Alcubierre drive recently perfected, faster-than-light travel has been achieved, beginning a new era of interstellar travel. No longer limited by the cosmic speed limit, it is time for humankind to pay a visit to the faraway world of Kepler-62f.
Kepler-62f's host star is a K2 dwarf star. It is only 2/3 the size of the Sun, and it has 1/5 the brightness of the Sun. 5 planets orbit this star. Its mass is 0.69 solar mass, and its radius is 0.64 solar radius. Its temperature is 4,925 Kelvin, and it is 7 billion years old. It has 2 habitable zone planets, which are Kepler-62f and Kepler-62e. This system is about 1,200 light-years away from the Earth.
Kepler-62f has a surface temperature of 201 Kelvin, which equals about -98 degrees Fahrenheit or -72 degrees Celsius. It has an orbital period of about 267.3 Earth days, which puts it roughly around the orbit of Venus in our solar system. It has a radius about 40% larger than Earth's, and a mass from about 10.2 to 1.2 times larger than Earth's.
Although Kepler-62f is about the same distance from its star as Venus is from our Sun, Kepler-62f's star has a lower luminosity than our Sun, putting its habitable zone closer in. Because of its larger mass than Earth, Kepler-62f would also still have its internal heating and therefore a magnetic field protecting it from any possible radiation, although radiation is not much of a problem due to Kepler-62f's K2 dwarf star, which has significantly lower stellar activity than our Sun. The planet's internal heating would also produce a lot of carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide would be held in the atmosphere due to Kepler-62f's large mass, creating a much thicker atmosphere. This allows the planet to be warm enough to maintain liquid water throughout the year. This makes Kepler-62f a likely candidate for liquid water, and consequently a likely candidate for life.
Kepler-62f is a planet with many convincing signs of life and could be severely beneficial to the human race's survival in the future. The planet has an orbital period of 267 days, thus its years won't be too jarring to become accustomed to if colonized by the human race. It's been supplemented by scientific study that along with a few other planets, Kepler-62f is one of the most highly likely to be habitable. The human race should spend the funds now in order to ensure a brighter tomorrow for the residents of our planet. Kepler-62f could be the answer to our planet's limited lifespan and could possibly provide many resources which would end up being highly profitable. As a result of the Alcubierre drive, the trip to the planet could be easily done and the payoff would outweigh any of the cost the trip could pose.